Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I just wanted to share an update with everybody that we've just launched our stocks strategy file. So basically what that means is if you look to the right of the screen, that way, yeah, my left. So we've got some instruments here. So we've got Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Signworld, Facebook, Netflix. You can all read them. We've got all the major indices as well. Dow Jones, DAX, US 500, NAS 100, SPX, and also the FTSE as well. So what does that mean? Well, basically, this is just like our Forex strategy. It's based on the 1 hour time frame. There's one small difference, and that's where we're working to a specific TP3, which was just we found some mixed results. Some were better following the trends, some were better with a TP3. But in order to make it easier for people, it's what we decided to do. So ultimately, what we've got here are just our standard testing parameters with a £500 account. Now, when you're trading CFDs with these indices and also stocks, we'd always recommend that you fully understand what one contract size is worth in terms of monetary value, and also trade with a higher balance than the £500. So ultimately, even if you were to start with 1,000, let's say, and just trade the settings on the Dow Jones, you will see that that would have given you a 1,776% growth over that 2-year period, which is pretty insane. And hopefully visually you can see this on the chart here as well, with the accuracy of the buy and the sells. And there are various ways you could use this. You know, if you are day trading indices, which there's a big market out there for, either spread betting or CFD trading, you'll see this entry here on the NAS 100 closing at this TP3. Let me just show you that here as well. So if we scroll all the way down, you will see that trade here. I've got this box that's in the way, but this bottom one just here. So that's that profit. Another thing to consider as well with all of these performance graphs and equity curves, they are not based on increasing your on an increasing amount of risk per trade. What I mean by that is, if that was to be based on a 1% risk per trade and your equity is increasing, clearly that risk and reward is going to increase in an exponential compounding effect. What we've done here is taken that out just to give you a true like-for-like growth and equity curve based on just one contract size. So every single trade here in the list of trades is based on exactly that. So ultimately what I'm saying is, when you compound your account naturally over time, by naturally just, you can still risk the same amount, but if your balance is getting higher, then that will have a natural effect. Then these results are even stronger. Now, obviously, I know that we can't predict or guarantee the future performance matches the past performance, of course. However, backtesting is the only thing any of us have got, and it's about making sure that we've got substantial data to know that we've got an edge on that data over that time, and the likelihood of that to continue moving forward. So we've got high trade volumes here. You know, NAS 100, we've got 290 trades. Yes, we've got a profitability, a percent profitable, so win rate of 37%. What that means is that we will win just under 4 out of 10 trades. But as I've said numerous times before, the win rate is only one side of the expectancy calculation that generates the net profit. So what we've got here is an average winner and an average loser. The average winner is nearly 3 times bigger than that of the average loser, hence giving us on the NAS 100 a 466% net profit based on your £1,000 account that would have gone back from January 2018. So this will be pushed out to all members shortly, and this is just another tool that people can use as they want. I was saying earlier, yes, you can use for day trading CFDs, swing trading CFD or stocks or indices, but also if you're an investor. So if you want to hold these stocks for longer, let's say you want to invest in Zoom, this will also give you ideas of when to invest, when to buy, and when to close. And there are various of the time frames that you can use for that. For example, Zoom on the daily gave a buy indication when the stock price was at 86 pence, and now we're over we peaked over £4. And that's the same in, say, Tesla, and the rise that we've seen in Tesla with buy indications at 156. Obviously now we've had the stock split, that's all amended. But same with Amazon and Apple. Or if you're in the US or other markets and you trade options, and you might want to either use the hour one time frame or shrink down into the other lower time frames to also look at calls and puts to capitalize on that too. Excuse me. So that's it. Any questions or any interest, or anybody that could be interested in a bit of a a demonstration a bit more than this, then just drop me a direct message. Hope that helps. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and thanks for watching.